Unfortunately, we've all heard about fat shaming, but how about pregnancy bump shaming? A 29-year-old mom-to-be named Yoda had to defend her lack of a baby bump to her more than 200,000 Instagram followers recently after receiving a lot of concerned messages. Her reasoning that eventually went viral? She says her uterus was backwards, or more specifically, she had a retroverted or tilted uterus she said was due to an endometriosis diagnosis. Dr. Nita, explain.
So endometriosis is when the inside lining of the uterus gets outside of the uterus, and that can lead to some scarring. So a woman's uterus can basically just be pointed forward towards her pelvic bone. It could be like all the way like this, up. It could be pointed backwards towards her back. She's saying it's pointed backwards. And so when the baby started to grow, it took a little while for the uterus to adjust itself so you could see her baby bump. So mainly it's just about going to the doctor and really getting an ultrasound to make sure the baby is growing appropriately. Like that's the main thing.
I mean, and you see that all the time. Every woman is different. You see some women who don't get that big with pregnancy, and that's just the way they're programmed.
What is the fascination with pregnancy shaming? Because I think we've seen this time and time again where a woman is pregnant and she's on social media and people are almost attacking her because she doesn't look quite like everyone else looks at 6 months or 7 months. Is that something that you've experienced before social media? Is this a social media phenomena?
It is, but I think it's also the fact that people have a poor perception of what a pregnant woman is supposed to look like just because the rate of obesity in America is so high. So people really believe that a pregnant woman is eating for two. A pregnant woman is not eating for two, like technically. So if you have a normal pre-pregnancy weight, then you should only be gaining about 25 to 35 pounds for a singleton pregnancy during pregnancy, whereas some women are gaining 60 pounds and things like that. So grandma wants you to gain 80 pounds during pregnancy when you really don't.
With the misconception that the bigger the better,
right,
which is not always true.
That is correct. So it's just about her going to the doctor and having her growth ultrasounds and just making sure the baby is growing appropriately. So you are absolutely right. Let's stop pregnancy shaming.
Let's just stop shaming, period. Of course, you know, you post anything on social media. I mean, I'm going to start posting my smart condom results on there, and they're probably going to be stellar, but I'm still going to get shamed for it, right?
See, like, this is, I guess, a social media, because I have never come across pregnancy shaming. So people are actually out there shaming women because they don't feel that their baby bumps are looking the right way?
Right, you're too big, you're too small, you have stretch marks, you're a regular looking pregnant woman. Oh, that's disgusting. Oh, like just saying really mean things.
Too much weight.
Really, when pregnant women are beautiful, they're growing human beings.
Yes.
I mean, they're busy trying to repopulate, like keep the earth populated. And they're beautiful, once again. Just want to throw that out there again. They're beautiful.
That's a good thing. Pets post them. Nobody ever shames a pet.
Nobody.
Because they're always good.
That's right.
No matter how ugly.
Hashtag stop the shaming, everyone. No,
yes,
arm in arm.
That's right.
Arm in arm.
Stop the shaming.
Stop the shaming. Stop the shaming.